Well, this will be the last video for a while. I'm going to have to pack this thing up, but I thought I'd show you how things work. Yeah, we have a light, and I've added the PC board for reverse, and I've cut the leads off and soldered them into the PC board from the chassis. I'm missing a wheel, so I just got to hold this up off the rail so it doesn't short, and my damn wheel's gonna lift every once in a while, so I have to watch that. But in any case, here we are with the Lionel board, and we're actually going in forward. We have the headlights, and we have a pretty good speed going. We're still pulling some amps now, but I have the light bulb in. Light bulb is gonna draw some amps. Let's watch the amps if I unscrew this bulb. There, see? They drop. I'll screw the bulb back in. Boom, there they go up again. So that's what that's all about. All right, so now I'm going to try reverse, and there's reverse. So if I had a wheel and hooked this thing up and had the chassis put on it, it could go around the track. It could go around the track right now. But we're missing linkage, we're missing the nose, and we're missing some other stuff. And I have this hole where it's supposed to be the fill for the smoke and blah blah blah. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but in any case, I'm going to button all this stuff up, put it in my bag. My K5 junker, Barter Bait 312 DC. I like them. I don't know why, I just do like them so. And you know, you can make a DC out of an AC, or you can get a DC and convert it and update it with the new magnets. I've done it. It works. I'm dying to try a Alco diesel DC AC and see if I can convert that. But hey, not a bad day. Not a bad day at all. And the good news is I have my parts today. I have my parts for the repair of my printer. Can you believe it? This little damn thing, $1.75. Boom, dead, can't use it. Anyway, break's over. Here's the shop. Now you can see in use, huh? Testing at the test station. Grinding and drilling and carrying on in the machine shop area. Disassembly and assembly here with my bag of tricks. And CAD cam still going on. Haven't fired up anything yet today, but I have been CADing and camming. Oh, and then this is sort of a little test station. I might try this one out. I don't know if I'm going to show this to you guys or not. Yeah, I guess I will. You're going to freak. At any rate. I may try this one later. If I get my PC or my printer working, I'm going to try this out. It's a Northern. It's a Northern. Oh boy. All right, later.